Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज डॉलर रुपी स्टिकिंग हाई 79, 82, 83 के आसपास है August futures on DGCX. The reason behind is simple. Dollar index is trading strong. USD CNH is strong as well. The Chinese currency is under pressure. 6.8283 के आसपास है USD CNH. We have been flagging the China risk, and that's something we need to watch very carefully. Whether the risk becomes full blown immediately or takes a few months, we have to wait and watch. But Chinese economy is under deep stress. The Chinese economy is all about a few things. That is construction, whether real estate or infrastructure. It lacks the consumption engine. जिसके कारण it has to over rely on construction, and which has created a very dangerous bad investment in China. And that bad investment is at epic level because it has been happening since 2006-7 and 2008 के बाद things went completely berserk. And with every time Chinese economy slowed down, just to keep people employed and banks from not coming under deep stress, the Chinese government always used or abused the lever of overconstruction. And that's exactly what is happening now. The Chinese economy has seen a deep stress in the property market. Developers are under severe strain. और जिसके कारण the construction side of the economy is completely slumped. And that's not good news. The exports are doing well, but exports are doing well. The reason being there is no domestic consumption engine, and because of the slowdown, the consumption has got hit even more, and because of which the exports are doing well. But exports can only take that much of slack, because without a domestic consumption engine and over reliant on construction, it makes the Chinese economy dangerously lopsided. So again, we have to keep a close eye on China, or most importantly, why the Chinese currency? Because considering the state of the economy, the monetary policy divergence is going to continue between China and US. इसका मतलब है कि Chinese central bank will continue to push rates lower, though it may not help the economy because already rates are pretty low, and because it lacks the consumption engine and it has a balance sheet problem. Pushing rates lower is of no use, but in any case, it will keep on lowering rates, but that's what the central bank knows to do, and that's what it will do, and so the rates will keep falling in China, but at the same time, rates are rising in America. So this creates a monetary policy divergence, and that can be a factor what drives more capital outflows out of China, more speculative bets on the currency, and that can lead to a devaluation of the Chinese currency. So that's something we need to watch, because उसका एक knock-on effect will happen to all currencies in the world, including the Indian rupee. फिलहाल के लिए 80 is going to be a major resistance, but before that 79.80 is a minor resistance on the charts. Now 79.80 के बाद the bigger one comes around 80.05 spot level में, because RBI has defended that level in the past quite actively. But in case that breaks, we can see a move towards 80 half even. But again, 80.05 is going to be a major resistance. Now, how to play this market? It's going to be tricky now to play this market. Don't go overboard on short options, because the global situation is once again turning hostile. So let's wait and see how to go about the options market. Though as long as it's in a range, selling options would make sense. But if you are going short options, it is advisable that you do hedge strategies, at least on the upside. That is, you buy protection. Let's say you have sold a straddle, ATM straddle. तो उसमें you buy an out of money call option. In case there is a breakout, you are not caught badly on the wrong side. So these kind of tweaks can be done on short option strategies. Otherwise, अगर आप futures से trade करना चाहते हो, या आप delta play करना चाहते हो through options, then what you can do is you can wait for a pullback and then go long, either using a call option or a call spread, or using futures. Because 79, 50, 60 on the futures is now a very strong support band. So anywhere closer to that can be an opportunity to buy with a stop loss below 79.40 that you can do. Cross currencies may euro dollar, GBP dollar both will be under pressure because the macroeconomic condition in Europe, including UK, is pretty bad, and that will continue to push both the euro and the pound lower. So euro INR and GBP INR can continue to drift down, considering USD INR stays within a cap of 80. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.